What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I got the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming Modern Backpack in white. That's right. I purchased this from Lenovo.com for $29.99 plus tax. And I was scrolling through a couple of accessories for the Lenovo line, the Lenovo Legion line, and I came across this. And the reason why I purchased it is because it matches the Lenovo Legion 5 Stingray white laptop that I have. And all the other accessories that I got with it that also matches is like white, off-white, gray, etc. And because the keyboard deck is like a light blue hue, I think that also goes with that nice little touch of that light blue ribbon that's in this design as well. So I thought it was a really cool backpack, and I definitely wanted to get it for only $30 and see. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unpack this thing, take a look at the different slots, pockets, the zipper, etc. And then I want to see if it meets the challenge of allowing me to pack my Lenovo Legion 5 as well as all the accessories in this one bag. And if so, we got a winner. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing unpacked. Before we do, let me let you see the label. Okay, here's the advertisement for it right here. All right, looks like there's some tape on the bottom. All right. All right, and here it is. Okay, I'm gonna let you see this again. All right, and here's a buckle. As you can see, it folds over. Let's take a look at the side. So on the side, I like this light blue design here. Looks like this is where you can put a bottle at. And then on the other side, looks like it has the same thing as well. Okay, let me back this up some. All right. Okay, also there is a Lenovo logo right here. Okay, material feels interesting. This is made out of 3 500 milliliter plastic bottles have been used or have been recycled per bag. So another thing that I liked about it is that it's economically savvy and environmentally conscious. So I thought that was neat, and that's another way to keep the price down as well. All right. On the side, there's a zipper. So it's a pocket. Whoa, nice deep pocket right there. Let's take a look at the zipper. Okay, zipper looks pretty standard. Doesn't look like anything special. Okay, I like this nice little blue design on it. But yeah, this is a nice deep accessory pocket. That's pretty cool. All right, what else we got? Right here's on the back. We have this design right here. I think it's pretty neat. This rib design here. This right here looks like you can put it onto a suitcase handle. All right. Now there is some random threads coming out here, which kind of gives you an idea of the workmanship or craftsmanship, because it is a $30 backpack. The shoulder straps. I mean, it's a nice little cushioning here, breathability as well. It doesn't feel super strong. There's a little handle up here as well that you can use to hold it, but it's like very skinny. So if this bag is very heavy, this will definitely cut into your hand. So I'm gonna, use it a little bit and see how that goes. I'm also gonna trim anything that I see on here. That might be like a loose thread or something like that. Okay, here's the top. Here's a embedded ribbon here with the buckle. Okay, so far, you do have this accessory pocket in here, which is pretty neat. It's almost hidden. 2 side pockets, for bottles or other accessories, right? Then you have this right here to put it on a suitcase. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, that unbuckles. Oh, there's a Velcro strap here. Right there. And look at this. This thing is tall when it's okay. And then here's the inside. Nice little ocean blue. There is a slot here for the backpack. Let's see. Oh, there is a service and support sheet in here. Let's see, anything else in here? Oh, silica gel. All right, so there is a slot here for the laptop. Then there's a very deep bottom. Let's turn it around. Okay, on the opposite side, there is a mesh pocket with a zipper. It's kind of dark, so it's a mesh pocket with a zipper that opens up. Okay, so this is right here. And looks like that's it. So it's one little slot for the laptop. There's one up here for the accessories that you can zip. There's one at the bottom, and then there's one here on the side. All right, well, it looks pretty interesting. I'm going to now do the challenge and see if it could fit all the accessories for my laptop. Stay tuned. All right, now as you can see back here, I have the Lenovo Legion mouse pad. I have the Lenovo Legion 5 Stingray Right. Over here, I have the 300-watt power supply brick with the power cord. In the back is a Lenovo Legion mouse, a Lenovo Legion true wireless headset. Okay, my EHO. This is a power adapter. It does 100 watts. Okay, in slot 1 and 2 individually. Together it drops down some, but then it also has a third one that goes 20 watts and a USB Type A that goes 18 watts. All right. Here is a USB Type C power cord. All right. And over here, this is a Lenovo Legion headset. Okay. So you see the little blue, touch of blue markings. All right. What we're doing is seeing if we can put everything inside this backpack. So we'll go ahead and get it started. All right, and as you can see, everything fits in there. Okay. And there's still room for more. So first impressions, I like this design. I don't know how well it's going to hold up over time, but I do like the environmentally conscious design. I do like the zipper on the side here, which is kind of hidden. I like the pocket inside for the laptop, the mesh pocket for accessories, and then the deep bottom that's pretty wide that you can put, like I did, the mouse pad, power adapter, headset, etc. So I think this is pretty neat. Pretty neat. So the only other thing is to try it on and see how it runs day to day. I really want to see how it holds up getting dirty, how easy it is to clean, and so forth. So I may do an update on the future, or if you have any questions. If I don't do an update, just leave them in the comments below. All right, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share the video everywhere. See you in the next video. Peace.